All right.
Did you get all the carpet from the upstairs?
No, she brought it down already. All right, we're live on Facebook. So this is Dania and Nate, and this is a G3 home with a lovely bush that has blackberries growing out of it. So that needs to go away. Sad as this is. So many of you on Facebook probably don't know that this is Dania's last week of school, and she's trading in being a school counselor to do this full time. Nate is a home appraiser. He's part of our partner. He's also brother-in-law, married to the sister of that one. So it's a family deal. So these two are going to take us through the house as we go in. So this is the front porch. Everything looks good. And all right, let's go inside and take you through this G3 home. After you, Mr. Nate. So we're on day 2 of demo. Talk to us, Dania. What do we have here?
Living room.
Living room. What have we done so far?
We ripped out all the ceiling tiles. They were these weird, white, odd, papery tiles. Ripped out really nasty first carpet. What's it in here so far?
What are we going to do over here? Nate, talk to me about this crazy stair thing we got going on.
We're going to build a treehouse for Daxton.
Yeah.
My son's stairs to his treehouse. Here we're putting in steps. There'll be 3 risers, taking a 90-degree angle, land you about in the middle of the second floor.
There you go.
Back there.
Yeah, so hopefully the stairs will be out about here. There's this old chimney that we have to take out. You can kind of see that in the paper. Hi, Eric. Eric Russell's watching live. So we got one person watching live. But this is the living room. I'll come over here and stand in this corner. Dania, talk to me about the old stove.
So we're pushing the stove back because it's actually a really nice gas stove. So we're pushing it back and then taking out some of the bricks so this actually can be a proper seating area, so you actually will have room to sit around the stove.
And Nate found out the other day it's actually the only heating source in the entire house. There is no furnace.
More heating sources, Facebook.
Yeah.
If you believe in heat, there will be more heat sources in this house when we're done.
All right, so this is the living room. Again, there'll be a stairs going in. We'll try to update there. And then we walk into the dining room. Again, day 2 of demo. So a lot of this stuff's been demoed. Taking out the parquet flooring.
And revealing the other parquet floor.
Yeah, the other parquet flooring that was under the parquet flooring into there. And then Dania, take us into your kitchen now that we've got all demoed out.
Ceiling.
Oh, and yeah, took down
all the
more ugly white ceiling tiles. I don't understand why.
Yeah.
I'm confused. And then this is our kitchen where we found this beautiful wood ceiling. So we're contemplating keeping it.
Ghost cedar.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
So,
I don't know if it'll come through in the video, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, it was hidden under these white tiles. You can see some of those white tiles.
No, there's one.
Oh, where's the
right
tile?
there, Nate.
There we go. So Dania had to we took down all these white tiles, and under these white tiles we found this gorgeous old hardwood. And then Dania today has been, hi Joan. Joan O'Donnell is watching too.
Hi, Joan.
So and so Dania's been pulling out all the staples. We're going to try to save this beautiful old.
It's a huge kitchen. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like massive.
Yeah.
Massive big kitchen. We're closing off this doorway to the hall because it's dumb. Closing off the doorway to the hall, so it's going to be this massive, huge kitchen.
Built a breakfast nook.
Yeah.
So yeah, breakfast nook here. Talk us through, Dania. Start here. Breakfast nook.
Breakfast nook, cabinets, refrigerator, some more cabinets. Keeping this pantry, painting it out, adding stove with cabinets, sink, more cabinets, plenty of cabinets. It's going to be like 3 times the size of my kitchen. Once again, I'm doing a nicer kitchen in a flip house and in my own house.
All right, and the big stuff is over here. So there's a bedroom that we're going to turn into kind of an office here.
It's already built in.
It's already got a built-in desk around the corner there. So this will kind of become an office off the dining room here. But the big stuff's back here. Nate, take us into the bathroom.
We're going for open concept.
Oh, an open concept. So we got take out the wall.
The very first house with a completely open concept. So we moved the door from here to here, completely gutted the bathroom, found 12 pounds of rat.
Yeah. So there's a bunch of, we found there was a rat living in here. I don't know if anybody can see this, but this is all rat poop. So that's been fun all day. And holes, he's been coming in.
Holes.
But
yeah. Also more beautiful ceiling.
Yeah, but found more gorgeous ceiling in here. So I think we're going to try and keep that. And this used to be, we're thinking, In 1908, the house is originally 1908. This was the outside of the house at one point.
Exterior wall.
That's the
The
siding
exterior
right
wall. So all of this at some point later on, 1908. So this is like a 1920 add-on.
Probably.
there. Right.
You know,
Be about
this was a
right.
bathroom. So we're going to be redoing the whole bathroom. And then about where Nate is standing,
There used to be a hallway that would end here and you would turn your corner to get into the master. But since we're going to close this off, entrance to the master here, blew out the closets, and so now you actually have a large proper master.
So this will be a massive master bedroom.
With more windows.
And we're going to add another window or make that one bigger depending on cost. But we got the back here, so we have to move plumbing and stuff. But you can kind of see here, I'll walk around to this far corner of the bedroom. And then,
It's a very large.
yeah, so where Nate is standing now were two closets. So there was kind of a closet there and then a closet in the corner with
And
that.
this was all hallway.
And this was all hallway up to there. And then there were two closets that we've taken out. And this is Nate and Dania's genius idea.
Well, this used to be a staircase, the old attic, which you don't need because now there's access from the second floor. So we don't need that anymore. So we're putting in a door
Right about there.
right about here.
Yeah, so
And guess where the door's gonna go to? Best part.
so you'll walk into your master, you have this big beautiful master, and then if you can think about there's a door almost right there.
Pretend we walked through.
Pretend we walk through the door. We'll have to see that in an update. And all of a sudden we got all this extra room back here.
This used to be a back porch that they enclosed at some point, and then
Ceiling right there.
yeah, with the ceiling right here. And so we're gonna vault the ceiling.
Your door will be right here from the master.
Nate's standing in your new walk-in closet.
Ooh.
And then over here is your new ensuite master bath. You're welcome.
So all this will then be a walk-in closet and a master bath coming off there. This basically will be a hallway between Nate and I coming in off the back deck into I'm standing in the kitchen. So there'll be a wall kind of where Dania is, and on the other side of the wall will be the rest of the master suite. Just to show you again, this is day 2 of demo. We still got some more work to do. There's this old crazy hot tub.
Yeah.
Nasty hot tub. Dania just fell through it. Dania
Yeah.
realized it was all, moldy.
Gonna have bruise.
Dania's going to have a bruise from that one. Now we still got to take out this old dog kennel. You can see the backyard's completely overgrown. We haven't even started on that yet. But I was going to show you just how far we made it today. So you can see this is a full-length trailer. And this is basically where we're at. So we've almost got a full trailer. Hi, Nadia. Nadia's watching live. She says, lovely to see you too. So we've almost got a full trailer of debris from 2 days. We've got another day of reno, but I thought I'd take you through the house. This is off the back deck. And there's the two superstars that are been following the reno. But this is the back of the house. Big, beautiful backyard that's completely overgrown. Massive bushes and stuff. So, all right, we'll do this again after we've made some progress. Oh, Christy's on too. So see, we got people want to see you. This is your new job. 1 week of being the school counselor left and full-time rental woman. And she's already wearing the part.
And I got a bruise.
And she got a bruise. They're going to lose a fingernail off that one.
Maybe the whole
So,
finger.
yeah. All right, we'll see. Oh, there's a frog in the pond. Okay, we'll see y'all later.
Yeah.